morning students. I am Dr. Rishika with the Virtual Associate Department as an Associate Professor in Saitm Institute of Technology and Management. Today I am going to deliver the lecture on the subject of Computer Application in Management, that is CAM, which is related to the BA second SAM. And after completion of our syllabus, completion of our 4 sections, we are going to move towards the assignments, quiz and some previous year sample paper. We will discuss about some previous year sample papers, those, and we will try to solve one sample paper with solved examples or solved answers. So in assignments, the assignments which we have done in the class before going to lockdown, so we have completed the assignment. So what was the assignment? Just take one by one by using the section wise, or we can say by the unit wise. So in our syllabus, in our syllabus we have 4 sections, and in the 4 sections we have assigned 4 assignments on the basis of the sections, on the basis of the units. So these are the assignment. So the assignment number 1, which is related to our unit 1, and the questions which are related to our unit 1 are: what is computer? Explain in brief. Second question is: what are the different types of computer memory? Explain with diagram. Third question: how computer is helpful for medical field in improving its service for the society? Explain in detail. And then question number 4: explain different features of web browsing in detail. And the last question, which is related to our unit 1 in assignment, that we will cover is: define the term hardware and software and describe the functions of the various basic flow charting symbols. This is the assignment which is related to our unit 1, and you have already submitted this assignment. Now move to unit 2, then assignment 2. The assignment 2, which is related to our unit 2, and the questions are: first question, explain different type of computer network or networking. Second, explain the use of computer network of computer in cashless economy of India. Question 3, explain the term search engine. Fourth question, what is the difference between chatting and emailing? And the fifth is the difference between data and information. These are all the questions which is related to our unit 2 of our syllabus, and on the basis of unit 2 we have assigned the assignment number 2, which have already done and submitted by the students also. Then move to the assignment 3, which is related to the unit 3, and the questions are: the explain the term ERP, OAS and MIS. Next question, what is the purpose of TPS and GSS? The third question, explain the term information system in brief. Fourth, what is the purpose of data and information on a computer? And the last question, which is RISE, which is based on the unit 3, or we can say section C of our syllabus. That question is: what is MIS? Explain with example. So these are the questions which is related to our assignment 3, which is based on the section C of our syllabus, or we can say unit 3 of our syllabus. Now next move to assignment 4. Assignment 4 is which is based on the last section of our syllabus, and the questions are: explain the term multimedia, write its advantages and disadvantages. Question number 2, how to use multimedia in business marketing. And 3, why we use web applications in multimedia. And the last question is: explain type and uses of multimedia. So these are the questions which is based on our last section of the syllabus, which is a section D, and the questions are related to our assignment 3, which we have already completed in our class. And before doing this assignment, we have covered all the syllabus. So on the basis of our completion of the syllabus, we are going to cover all the assignments. Some students have submitted and some have not submitted. So these are the assignment which is based on the computer application in management subject. Now come to the next topic is CAM quiz, which is related to our overall syllabus of our CAM, and the quizzes questions I have already given to you. Just take and start. What are the quiz which is based on the CAM which I have already given to you. So let's take these questions which is related to the quiz. Now these are the some question banks and their answer key I have already mentioned in our slide. So what are these questions which are related to your quiz in computer application in management, or we can say these are the 2 marks questions, or which is based on the MCQ questions of your syllabus. So first question is, a term computer is derived from first Latin, B German, third French and Arabic. Now second question, who is the inventor of difference engine? Alan Turing, Charles Babbage, Summer Cray, Augusta Adamini. Then third question is, who is the father of the computer? Alan Turing, Charles Babbage, Summer Cray and Augusta Adamini. Now next question is question number 4. Who is the father of computer science? Difference between father of computer and here is the difference between father of computer science. Above mentions are same. So these questions, inventor of different machines, father of computer science, all the given A, B, C and D options are same. Then you have to select. Some students have submitted the answers, but at the last we will discuss some answer keys of the given MCQs or 2 marks question, or we can say some quiz type questions. Now next question is, who is the father of personal computer? Here are the Edward Roberts, Alan Turing, Charles Babbage, or none of these. So these are the questions which is based on our quiz. Then the next question is question number 6. A CPU contains a card reader and a printing device, an analytical engine and a control unit and an arithmetic logical unit, and the last option is an arithmetic logical unit and a card reader. Now move to the next question. Which of the following control the process of interaction between the user and the operating systems are? Options are user interface, platform, language translator and screensavers. Now next question is, the first computer was programmed using source code, machine learning, object code, assembly language are the options based on the question number 8. Next question we have covered. Dash is a combination of hardware and software that facilitates the sharing of information between computing devices, and the options are network, peripherals, expansion board and digital device. Next question number 10. Coded entries which are used to gain access to a computer system are called entry code, password, security command, and the last option is code words. Now next is the which of the following statement is true? A mini computer works faster than microcomputer. A microcomputer works faster than mini computer. Speed of both the computer is the same, and the speed of both these computers cannot be compared with the speed of advanced. So above questions give different statement, and you have to select which one is true. Now come to the next question. Who organize files by storing them in? Archives, folders, lists and indexes. Question number 13. What type of resource is most likely to be a shared common resource in a computer network? Are printers, speakers, floppy disk drive, and last is the keyboard. Next question. Which device is required for the internet connections? And they are joystick, modem, CD drive and NIC. So students, try to solve all these questions. Mark any one tick on this, and at the last we will check how many answers are correct. Now 15th question is, what is light pen? Options are a mechanical input device, an optical input device, an optical output device and an electronic input device. Next question is, UNIB UAC is Universal Automatic Computer, Universal Array Computer, Unique Automatic Computer, and the last is Unvalued Automatic Computer. So we will select the full form of UNIVAC. Next question is CD-ROM stands for Compactable Read-Only Memory, Compact Data Read-Only Memory, Compactable Disk Read-Only Memory, and the last is Compact Disk Read-Only Memory. So we all are aware about the CD, Compact Disk Read-Only Memory. So try to solve side by side, and then at the end we will check the answers to match with our answer keys. Now move to the question number 18, that is ALU. ALU, we will find the four options are given, and then we will find the full form like Arithmetic Logic Unit, Array Logic Unit, Application Logic Unit, and D option is none of above. Now question number 19, that is VGA, which stands for Video Graphic Array, Virtual Graphics Array, Volatile Graphics Array, or Video Graphics Adapter. The next question is IBM 1401 is first generation computer, is it second generation computer, third generation computer, and fourth generation computer. So tick one, which is the best answer related to our IBM 1401. Now question number 21, MSI stands for Medium Scale Integrated Circuit, Medium System Integrated Circuit, Medium Scale Intelligent Circuit, or Medium System Intelligent Circuit. So select one, which is the correct related to our MIS. Now question number 2, the capacity of 3.5-inch floppy disk is 1.40 MB, 1.44 GB, 1.40 GB, and the last is 1.44 MB. Now question number 23, WAN stands for Web Area Network, Wide Area Network, Wide Array Net, or Wireless Area Network. So select one. Now next question number 24 is MICR stands for Magnetic Ink Character Reader, Magnetic Ink Cases Reader, None, or we can say Magnetic Ink Code Reader. Now move to the question number 25. EBCDIC stands for Extended Binary Coded Decimal Interchange Code, Extended Bit Code Decimal Interchange Code. C option is Extended Bit Case Decimal Interchange Code, and the last is the Extended Binary Case Decimal Interchange Code. Now question number 26, which of the following is a part of the CPU, that is Central Processing Unit, and these are options are printer, mouse, keyboard, or arithmetic and logic unit. Now question number 28, CAD stands for Computer Aided Design, Computer Application in Design, Computer Algorithm for Design, and Computer Analog Design. Now question number 28, junk email is also called spam, sniffer script, spool, or spoof. So select which one. Now question number 29, hackers all have the same motive, break into other people's computers, may legally break into computer as long as they do not do any damage, and last option are people who are allergic to computers. Now next question is question number 30, what type of computer are client computer that are most of the time in a client server system? Option mainframe, mini computer, microcomputer, and PDA. Now question number 31, a computer cannot boot if it does not have the loader, compiler, assembler, and operating system. Now question number 32, the amount of vertical space between lines of text in a document is called double space, line space, single space, or vertical spacing. Now question number 33, explain of non-numerical data is employee address, examination score, bank balance and all of those. So select any one and then we will at the end we will check how many questions are correct. We will check with our answer. Now question number 34, what is embedded system? The options are the program which arrives by being wrapped in box. Second, the program which is the parameter part of the computer. Next, the computer which is a part of a big computer, and a computer and a software system that control the machine. Now question number 35, the first page of website is termed as home page, index, JavaScript or bookmark. Now question number 36, dash is the appearance of typed characters, that is size, format, point and color. Now question number 37, when a file is saved for the first time, a copy is automatically printed. It must be given a name to identify it. It does not need a name. It only needs a name if it is not going to be printed. Now question number 38, office lands which are scattered geographically on large scale can be connected by the users of corporate, like options are CAN, LAN, DAN and WAN. Now question number 39 is, where are the data and programs stored when the processors use them? A. Main memory, secondary memory, disk memory or a program memory. Question number 40, dash represents raw facts whereas dash is data made meaningful. First, information reporting. Second, data information. Third, information bits. And D option is the records or bytes. Now, question number 41. What character of read-only memory, that is ROM, makes it useful? First, ROM information can be easily updated. Data in ROM is non-volatile, that is, it remains there even without electrical power. C section, ROM provides very large amount of intensive data storage. D, ROM chip are easily wrapped or swapped between different brands of computers. Now question number 42 is, what do you call the programs that are used to find out possible faults and their causes? Options are operating system extensions, cookies, some boot decks and diagnostic softwares. These are the options related to our question number 42. The next question is, which programming language are classified as low-level language? They are C, C++, Prolog, Basics, COBOL, Fortran, and the D option is the assembly language. The next question, which of the following is not antivirus software? That are NAV, Oracle, F-Prot or McAfee. So select which is not an antivirus software. Now question number 45, which device is required for the internet connections, like joystick, CD drive, modem or NIC card? All are the options, then we will select which option is related to our question number 45. Now question number 46 is, what does DMA stands for? A. Distinct memory access, direct memory access, direct module access, and D is a direct memory allocations. Now for the next question is, which of the following is a storage device? That is tape, floppy disk, hard disk and all the above, related to our question number 47. Now in question number 48, when did John Napier developed algorithms? In 1416, 1614, 1641 and D option is 1804. So we will select how John Napier developed the algorithm. When he developed the algorithm, we will select the son. And after the question number 49 is, a normal CD-ROM usually can store up to dash data like 680 KB, 680 bytes, 680 MB and the D option is 680 GB. And the last question related to our quiz, related to our MCA, is the MIS designed to provide information needed for effective design making by consumers, workers, foremen, and managers. So these are the questions related to our CAM, that is Computer Application in Management subject. And these questions or these quiz cover all the syllabus, all the sections of our subject. So it's time to cross check our answers. So students, after completion this MCQs and quiz type questions, I will assign the answer keys. So cross check your answer keys and you can easily find out how many syllabus you have learned and how many topics which you have left and which you have covered. So they cover overall syllabus of your this quiz, or we can say this MCQ questions cover all syllabus of your computer application in management. So try to cross check and try to solve without watching answers key. So in this slide we have mentioned answer key. So please cross check your answers and easily find out how much syllabus you have covered in related to our syllabus. Now next is students, it is all our about assignments and some CAM quiz or MCQ question which is based on our syllabus, based on our sections A, B and C and D. So hope you all understand. So students, thank you very much for your kind attention. Thank you students.